All right, so here's the intro part 2. As that loads, I'll show you the second part of this. Now I don't have my mouse, because I think I forgot it at home, so it might be kind of loud. Nope, found it. Okay. So I'm going to click the sketch plane there, and on the sketch plane, I'll click there and change it. Now right here is a thing called point. On point, what you're going to do is kind of create a dice, or die. And you're going to put, and right now I'm not measuring, but if I click on one and drag down, it'll give me exactly even with it. So the ones that go like that, see? Cool. All right, now I have those 5. I will finish that. Once I finish that, I'm going to select whole. Now I'm going to click on each of these, and if you look from the side, you can see there's there. Now if I click over here under corner board and click simple, then it just creates simple holes. I can have those go all the way through. I can have them go part of the way through. Now that goes out, which wouldn't work. So there we go. There's your simple hole. Now let's go over to another side, and if I'm clicking here, I'm going to do the same thing, but we're just going to do one. I get in the middle, all right. So I finish that. I go up, click hole. Here we go. There it is. Now on this one, let's make this one a little larger. We'll make it 2 inches. And I want to show you what a counter bore looks like. Now you can see this turns red because this is 2 inches. This can't there. You can't have this one, as you can see. This is going from there to there. You can't have this smaller than the other number. So if I go like this, 1.5, now you can see that. Let's say I make this 1. You can see how that is a hole that's going to create a counter bore. So if you wanted to sink it in. So we'll finish that. The third side here, we're going to click, and we are going to make a point, put it on there, and then you can finish that, and you're going to click hole again, but now we're going to do countersink. I just want to show you the different types. Now you can see these are the same, which you don't want, so let's make this one 2. Now this is angled. You can see you can change the degrees into whatever you want. Let's say it's 125, and it'll change that. And there, now we have each type of hole made. We have just the circle, we have the simple hole, we have the counter bore, and then we have the countersink. And this is what you're going to create today. And my one hole went through, that's why this is cut out. All right. Once you're done with that, here will be done for the day. Just kind of play around then with it until tomorrow, and I'll show you how to share stuff with me. All right. Have a great day.